Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMath. ADMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, in last lecture we did question number 2 from exercise 9.5. The topic, you can see the graph of trigonometric functions when the function is absolute. So the graph of absolute valued function when the function is trigonometric, you can say. So before I start question number 3, I would suggest all those students who are watching my lectures first time, kindly first go to my playlist. There is a folder, name is ADMath. Watch previous lectures, then you will have good command on this topic. So let's start question number 3, exercise 9.5. Part A. Sketch the graph of y equals to 2 plus 5 cos x for the domain of 0 to 180 degree. So started angle is at 0 degree and end angle is 180 degrees. So y is equals to 2 plus 5 cos x. So for this function, first we have to make the table for x and y values. You can take any suitable interval, just like I took 30 degrees interval 0, 30, 60, 90, 120, 150 and 180 because the last value is 180 degrees. Now put 0 degrees in your calculator. 2 plus, first write down in your calculator, scientific calculator, 2 plus 5 cos 0, you will get 7. 2 plus 5 cos 30, you will get 6.3. 2 plus 5 cos 90, you will get 2, and so on. So 2 plus 5 cos 180 degrees, you will get minus 3. Plot these values. I draw x and y axis for you in order to save the time. So when x is 0, then y is 7. This is the first point. When x is 30, then y is 6.3. So 1 square is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.3, like this. When x is 60, then y is 4.5. So 4. When x is 90, then y is 2. When x is 120, then y is minus 0.5, just below this line. When x is 150, then y is minus 2.3. So this is 2, this is 2.3. When x is 180, then y is minus 3. This is minus 3. Now join these points to get a smooth curve. So this is the curve, not as smooth as it can be because this is digital pen. A little movement can do a big mistake for this electronic pen. But you people have pencil and paper, you can draw more good graph because you can move the paper. I cannot move this board. Okay, so this is part A. What is part B? Sketch the graph of y is equals to 2 plus 5 cos x absolute valued function for 0 to 180 degree. It's very easy. No need to draw, no need to make the table again. All values are same except those values which are below the x-axis. Check this. For 0 it is 7, the same. This one, this is the first value. For 30, value is 6.3, same. 1, 2, 3, 6.3. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.3. For 60, the value is 4.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5. For 90, the value is 2. All values are same till 90. And now for 120 it is minus 0.5, but this time we will take for 120 0.5, because in an absolute valued function we will reflect all those values which are below x-axis. For 120, the value is minus 2.3. It should be plus 2.3. 1, 2, 2.3. This one. This is wrong. This should be over here. For 150 the value is 2.3, this one. And for 180 the value is minus 3. It should be plus 3. It should be plus 3 because this is absolute valued function. Now join all these points. It is more good, more smooth as compared to previous graph, isn't it? So this is part B. What is part C? Write down the number of solutions of the equation 2 plus 5 cos x is equals to 1. C part. Y is equals to 2 plus 5 cos x absolute values is equals to 1. So this is equals to y in the given question, 2 plus 5 cos x absolute value. If you compare, you will see that y is equals to 1. So draw a line y is equals to 1 on this graph. I am using blue pen. Now check at how many points where two graphs are cuts each other. This is one point and this is second point. So the required answer is, it has two, what is the question, roots or solution? Both are same. Write down the number of solutions. So the answer is, number of solutions are 2 solutions. and this is our final answer. So very easy question number 3. There are 3 parts. First part is to draw the graph of y is equals to 2 plus 5 cos x. We have drawn, not a very good graph. Part B is draw the graph of y is equals to 2 plus 5 cos x. Absolute valued function, the red one. And part C is write down the number of solutions of the equations 2 plus 5 cos x absolute valued function is equals to 1. So with the help of graph, we draw a line y is equals to 1, the blue one. This is the line y is equals to 1. This line cuts at 2 points, cuts the curve at 2 points, and these 2 points are the solutions. So if the line cuts 2 points, then we have to say 2 solutions, 3 points 3 solution, and 4 points 4 solution. So student, this is our today's class where we did question number 3 from your exercise 9.5. In next lecture we will do some more questions. So if you like my videos, kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos as many as you can. Okay students, good luck for next lecture.